An internet usage policy is a document that sets out guidelines for the use of a particular internet connection. The policies are typically created by people that are paying for the connection and apply to those that are using the connection. But when are they necessary and what should they contain? Let's take a look. The first question you should ask is, do you need an internet usage policy? In general, if you pay for an internet connection that is regularly used by many different people, it is a good idea to develop an internet usage policy. This can include workplaces, libraries, hotel business centers, coffee shops, and areas with broadly available Wi-Fi, like university campuses. Internet usage policies can have many benefits. They can improve the employee productivity in the workplace by discouraging mindless web surfing, reduce the chances that viruses and malware will infect a computer network, and limit the liability of those who maintain publicly accessible internet connections. Once you've decided to have an internet usage policy, what should it contain and how should you make it available? The rules you set and the ways to make users aware of the rules you set will vary based on the setting. If it's a place where you'll have a large number of infrequent or occasional users like a coffee shop or business center, it's probably best to create a guest user policy. This can pop up in a browser and require the user to consent before getting access to the web. Guest user policies alert the user that their usage is not private and require the user to agree to the use of internet only for legal activity. Regardless of the age of the user, the policy can also mandate that a user avoid sites that aren't appropriate for children, in case there are any passing through. In a workplace where you'll have the same people logging onto the internet all the time, it's best to create an employee user policy. It's best to post something like this in employee common areas. Better still, include it in the materials that employees receive when joining the company. Along with prohibiting illegal activity, as is done with a guest user policy, employee user policies can set expectations about things like social media use to prevent employees from getting distracted while still allowing them to communicate. Employee user policies should also indicate what penalties workers could face for violating the policy. We're eForms, the world's biggest database of legal documents. Click or tap the link right here to create your own internet usage policy. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos that help you stay on top of the law.